Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports RZR XPFG1 aluminum grill.
This grill fits the 2019 Plus Polaris RZR XP1000 Turbo, all models. Install time is about 15 minutes. Can be installed by yourself. With a difficulty level of beginner. Tools needed for this job are a 3mm Allen wrench. And don't forget your safety glasses. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's begin by pressing down on the upper tabs of the OE plastic grill, and pulling the grill out, and up, to remove the grill. Now, let's install the new DRT aluminum grill. First, make sure that the two metal backing plates on the back of the grill are loose and hanging downward. Next, place the bottom of the grill in the slotted part of the bodywork first. With the bottom secured, then press the rest of the grill in place. Next, while holding the grill in place, use a 3mm Allen wrench to tighten down the upper two bolts with the backing plates. As the bolts are tightened down, plates will rotate upward into position and clamp down on the bodywork, holding the grill securely. Congrats, that completes your DRT RZR aluminum grill install. Now with the aluminum grill installed, it not only looks amazing. The grill gives you great protection against unexpected rocks and debris, from damaging your radiator when following others, or even just running the trails. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.